Hiking with Hunting Dude. I'm your host, Scotty Boy Blue. Look me up on YouTube. Here's the star of our show right here, Hunting Dude. Huh? Come here. Come here. There he is. Hunting Dude. Well, let's get started. Today we're going to be going down this path. And there's the man himself. There we go. Beautiful woods we have over here. Just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll just come and head on down this trail. What do you think, Hunt Dude? Come back. Come back. Hey, come back here, you dummy. Hey, Hunt Dude, come back. Come back. Come back, Hunt. Hunter, come back up this way. Come on. We're going to go down this other road. Think we should go down this road or this road? What do you think? Which way should we go? Hunter Dude, come here. Hunting Dude. Hunting Dude. Hunting Dude dog. Come on. Where are you going? You want to go down that one, huh? Okay, I think he chose this road. Don't get too far ahead of me now. Now this road's got tons of jaggers on it, so I don't know if we can go up here too far. I've tried this road before. Might not be too bad this time of year. There's a lot of jaggers down here. I'm not a big fan of jaggers, so you know what I'm saying, Hunt Dude? Come on back up here, dummy. Hey, come on. What are you doing over there? Come back. Hunter, come back. Come back. Uh-oh, groundhog hole. What's in there? What's in there? Something lives in there. Hunt Dude. Something live in there. What's in there? What do you think? Oh, this groundhog down in that hole. He lives down in that hole. What's in there? Any rabbits in there? See if there's a rabbit in there. See if there's a rabbit in there. Where's the rabbit at? Where is he? See him in there? Is he in there? Where's that rabbit? See if he's in there. Where'd that rabbit go? Huh? Let's go over this way. Maybe he's over there. See if that rabbit's up in there. Yep, this is what I thought. It's hard getting through here. What's in there? Is there a rabbit in there? Oh, that old rabbit better hide. Hunting Dude's in here now, huh? Where did he go? Where'd them rabbits go? Okay, let's head back on out of here. I can't get through this way. There's too much jaggers. We have to go this way, I think. We can get through this way. Hunt Dude, what are you doing? Come on over here. Hunt dude, come back. Hey, come back. Hunt dude, come back. Oh, he's down in the creek now. There he goes. What are you doing over there? Come here, you dummy. Alright. Well, this has been another adventure with hiking with Hunting Dude Dog. And now we're in the creek. And there he is. Alright. He's the man. All you Hunting Dude Dog fans, there he is.